The Learning Foundry Skills Centre is a hub for built environment training for the communities in Liverpool and across the wider North West. The Skills Centre will host programmes for young people, adults and working professionals, all gearing towards supporting them into a meaningful and sustainable career in the built environment sector.
Green skills are important as they enable businesses and individuals to contribute to a more sustainable future. For Ecogee, that means that we make homes more energy efficient, cheaper to run, warmer to live in and reduce carbon emissions.
The Learning Foundry Skills Centre will host property maintenance operative apprenticeships, construction study programmes for young people aged 16 to 18, will host green skills boot camps for adults aged 19 plus, both in and out of education.
So Ecogee are involved with the Learning Foundry to pass on our knowledge, expertise and insight to help deliver green skills boot camps. It also helps towards our sustainability goal under the group structure and enable us to offer green roles within our sector. There are many different types of green roles available. PAS 2035 compliance roles such as retrofit advisors, retrofit assessors, through to coordination and designers. But we also look for on-site trade roles such as solar PV operatives, air source heat pump operatives and insulation operatives.
I've learned some good trades like plastering and how to use the tools properly, and I've learned health and safety in the construction and how to be safe with your workplace.
What I would like to be in the future is a construction manager.
In the future, I'd like to be a multi-skilled trader working in massive construction companies, building and other works. I'm finding it really fantastic and it has been an amazing experience for me.